Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate you how to determine the value of frequency of AC main using electrical vibrator. In order to perform this experiment, we required electrical vibrator apparatus, weight box of 100 grams and measuring tape of 3 meter. Now, in order to perform this experiment, first we measure the length of this thread, and after that we calculate the weight of this thread with the help of digital weight machine, and we calculate the value of mass per unit length of the thread. Now we also calculate the weight of this pen with the help of a digital weight machine, and put this value here. Now we switch on the electrical vibrator and adjust the position of this electrical vibrator in such a way that the loops of maximum amplitude form. Now we leave the first and last loop because they are incomplete, and we count these loops and measure the length of these loops and put this value here. First mass of the pen, which we calculated with the help of digital weight machine. Second one, mass put in the pen, which is approximately 50 gram here. So total tension is equal to m1 plus m2 into g. Now number of loops, the loop which are formed in the thread, and corresponding length of the loops, and length of one loop. And after that we calculate the value of frequency by using this formula. We repeat this process by changing the weight in the pen, and every time we calculate the value of frequency. After that we take the mean of these readings, which is the value of frequency of AC mains determined in a transverse arrangement. Now in a longitudinal arrangement we just rotate the electrical vibrator at an angle of 90 degree, and put the weight in pen. Now we switch on the electrical vibrator and adjust the position of electrical vibrator. In such a way that the loop of maximum amplitude forms as shown in the video. Now we again note the value of mass placed in the pen, and total tension, which is equal to m1, which is mass of pen, plus m2, mass placed in the pen, into g. G is acceleration due to gravity, again number of loops, and again corresponding length of the loop. And we calculate the length of one loop, and with the using of this formula we again calculate the value of frequency. We repeat this process by changing the weight in the pen, and again find out the value of frequency, and after that we take the mean of all the readings, which is experimental value of AC means determined in longitudinal arrangement. Okay, thank you very much.